Alright, so this is the second video of file permission in Linux and the Linux security architecture. How does it work and how does it manages the file? How does it know like what user can do what? So in the previous video we have talked about so much like the user ID and the read write execution permission and about the privilege escalation and its two types, the horizontal and vertical escalation. In the previous video I actually missed some important detail about groups and the ownership, so I will just continue that in this video. So we discuss in that here that each file has a primary owner, group access, and one more category that is other, which include guest and other user, right? So the important detail that I was talking about is that you can see right here on the screen, every file in Linux has two ownership attributes. One is the owner and another is the group. So the owner is the person who created slash own the file, like for example Alice, while the group is a collection of user like who share access, like for example developers. So I will just make this more clear. Okay, to see the owner and the group of a specific file, we will type the ls-l and the file name. So it will just give us like this output. Let me actually go to my machine, Kali Linux, and make it like this big and cd to downloads. Do I have any file? Yep, I do have a file. So I will just type ls-l and the hotel.sh. So over here you can see this is the owner name and this is the group. So I will just tell you why these both are the same, and this is when the file is created and this is the file name. So you can see right here, if ls creates a file project called any file, or in this case the project.sh, Linux automatically assign the owner as ls, because ls is the one who created this file. Now once Linux assigned the owner to this file, what Linux do second is it tries to assign group to this file. So the group that is being assigned to this file is usually the primary group of Alice, usually the same name as their username, or a shared group like developer. So in the Kali Linux user, I had the similar owner and group name, both were the same. Sometimes you want to give some certain permission to a file or a directory or folder to a bunch of people, like a group of people. So that's when group help us in that. So you can see right here they let us grant the access to multiple people at once. So imagine we have three groups. One is the developers, another is sysadmin, and another is the marketing. So these three users share code between each other and they can just read, write, and execute depending on the permission, while the sysadmin they manage system file, right? And the last one is the marketing, the Frank and Grace. They share marketing documents to each other. Or we can add more user to each of the group, they will get this similar permission. So this is some practical hands-on experience. Like go to your Kali Linux and type ls-l. It will list all of the file that is present in the current directory that you are in. You will see who is the owner of a specific file and also the group. You will also see the group. So now that we understand all of this user and file ownership, next what we will be doing, we will actually be talking about the read, write, and execute permission, the three permission. So I will just skip this one because I have already explained this one. So I will just add the link in the description, and you can see on the screen, this is the video that I discussed read, write, and execution permission. So hopefully all of this makes sense, and if you have any question, let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next video.